In his song All of Me, John Legend uses the 7 pitches of the A-flat major scale. But rather than using A-flat as a tonic, as we might expect, he uses F as a tonic. And in doing that, he's making use of a minor scale, the F minor scale to be precise. So we're using the key signature of the scale that I have on the left, A-flat major, but we're starting on the F and creating this new scale, F minor. I just want to point out the relationship between the tonic notes of both of these scales. A-flat major begins on A-flat. F minor begins on F. And the relationship between A-flat and F is the relationship of a minor third. And that interval of a minor third is going to be really important when we're talking about minor keys. We're going to be digging deep into this in the series of videos, but I'd like to start out with one of the simplest examples of a minor scale that I can. We're going to start by just using the white notes of the keyboard. Now, we love using the white notes of the keyboard because it's really easy to make a major scale. If I start on C with scale degree 1, all I need to do is go right up the white keys to D, scale degree 2, E, scale degree 3, F, scale degree 4, G, scale degree 5, A, scale degree 6, B, scale degree 7, and C, scale degree 8. And I can make a major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember what we did in the example of All of Me. We shifted the tonic from scale degree 1 to scale degree 6. Now what happens if we do that same thing in the key of C major? Well, scale degree 6 in the key of C major is A. So what if we were to shift our focus from, instead of going from C to C, we're going to just shift down, and we're going to go from A to A. And let me erase these scale degrees. And again, we're just going to go right up the white keys of the keyboard because we want to keep that same collection of notes that we made with C major. So, what do I get? I start on A, and that is scale degree 1. B is scale degree 2. C is scale degree 3. D is scale degree 4. E is scale degree 5. F is scale degree 6, G is scale degree 7, and A is scale degree 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I have just done is created a minor scale from the pitches of the C major scale. Since I've started on A, since I've made A my new tonic note, I now have an A minor scale. And I'm just going to write that in the staff above here. So I'll start with an A, go to B, C, D, E, F, G, and end on A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember that interval that I told us to look out for, that interval of a minor third. Well, notice that is the relationship between my starting note of the major key, which is C major, and the starting note of my minor key, which is A minor. It is a minor third going from C to A. And we can see that pretty clearly right in the piano keyboard. We have C0, B1, B flat 2, A 3. We have 3 half steps going down a minor third. So here we have that same relationship between C major and A minor. This relationship, where a major key and a minor key share the same collection of pitches, is known as the relative relationship. So we call C major the relative major of A minor, and we call A minor the relative minor of C major. And that relationship is always based on this interval of a minor third. The minor tonic is always a minor third below the major tonic. Or to think of it the other way, the major tonic is always a minor third above the minor tonic. Or a third way of thinking about it is the minor scale is the scale that we begin on the 6th scale degree of the major. When you start thinking about it, those are just 3 ways of saying exactly the same thing. We're taking our frame of reference from C to C, and we're moving it down from A to A. But this is the relative relationship, relative minor, relative major. In the next video, we will take a look at a bunch of examples of this and see how we work through them. So hopefully you can get a little better idea of how this actually works in practice.